Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. So today in this video I'll show you how to change address on AliExpress. But before it continues this video, I hope you like, comment and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. Well, firstly you have to open your AliExpress, and now go to your profile by click an account icon at the bottom right. Now you just have to tap the gear icon at the top right in the corner of your screen, which is settings. And in the settings page, you will see shipping address. Just tap on it. And I'm gonna tap it right now. And yeah, as you see, here's my address, but to change it, you just have to tap on edit button below my address. And now I'm gonna change it first. If you're done, you just have to tap on save. And yeah, it's already changed. So guys, I hope you can follow this simple tutorial. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon on the next one, and good luck.